We're gonna check out some super short pixies and haircut ideas. So first up we have this blonde, and it looks like she's getting some type of like shaven mohawk kind of style. Kind of like a pixie mullet, if you will. Very innovative style, very unique. Definitely different. And then next we move on to someone who does have mid-length hair. So the stylist proceeds to wash the hair, and he's going to be doing a wet cutting with this. So he does proceed to cut the hair into a bob, and then he proceeds to cut the hair further into more of a pixie shape. And you can tell that she is getting beautiful side swept bangs with this. Absolutely gorgeous cut. So he does blow dry the hair, style it out. Gorgeous pixie. Then we see a two-tone pixie with this copper and black. Beautiful shade. Love the lining design in the back as well. And then we move into more of this super short pixie cut. Definitely more kind of like a boy pixie cut. And then we move into another pixie transformation. So she does have hair that is on the thinner side. So if you're looking for a way to rock a pixie and you have thin hair, this would be a perfect example of how to do it. She has a nice blonde hair coloring as well, loving the earrings going up the ear. And then we move into more of a tapered cut. So she has naturally curly hair, and the stylist has given her this nice taper cut with the red coloring. So she even dyed her eyebrows with this one. Beautiful red lip to pair it with. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we move into another haircut transformation. So she went from a bob to this boy cut short pixie. Beautiful transformation. Nice switch up and change. And then we see yet again that super short pixie boy cut. And then we move into this pixie haircut transformation. So she is getting a tapered neck with this one. Looks like she still has a lot of volume there at the top. Oh, loving this silver platinum pixie. And then we move into another transformation. So she is cutting her hair off with the scissors. And then her girlfriend is helping her shave her hair down. So I love this platinum color that she had, but I guess she decided she wanted to do a complete change and cut off all her hair, but she looks beautiful with a shaven head regardless. And then we move into another transformation. So she started off with longer hair, and the stylist is cutting the hair down into more of a pixie shape. Now at first it looks like she's getting a very kind of like spiky pixie. The cutting is very pretty much spiked out, which is very interesting, but she does end up curling it at the end. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these haircuts with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a like and I will see you in the next one.